Hello everyone, I'm here with another layout, and my background is case. Alright, so I have 3 more layouts that I do use in the June kit. So this is Mateo when he first came to live with us. His mom didn't want him to live with him anymore, so she gave him up, and I took both of them into my home. We needed a Father's Day present, so Mateo, I was scrapbooking and Mateo wanted to paint. So we went and got some canvases and I let him paint the background, and then I scrapbooked a picture of Alex and Mateo together when Alex first came back from Chicago. And I scrapbooked it and then I put it on the canvas that Mateo painted. I should do the finished product. Turned out really good. And then I glued the whole layout on the back of the canvas. I decoupaged or Mod Podged it on over top, so it was everything, the embellishments, everything was protected. And then I did several coats of that, and then I let him go back and we picked out some stickers. He picked out Minions and Ninja Turtles. That is what he was into at the time. I apologize, I just got up a little bit ago. I'm drinking I haven't quite finished my first cup of coffee. And so, what was I saying? Oh, and I let him go back and decorate it with stickers. So, my blue photo mat is Simple Stories, Sunshine and Blue Skies. The floral layer is also Simple Stories, Sunshine and Blue Skies. Let's Escape, it's the reverse side of the blue layer. Pink layer is Vicky Booten Colorful Color Kaleidoscope. All my die cuts are Vicky Booten. That chipboard sticker I'm using there by the card is American Friends American Crafts Hello Friends stickers. And I just used blue cardstock for the circle. And then I used puppy stickers for from Vicky Booten. And then my title is American Crafts Happy Day stickers, which came in the kit. My is American Crafts Happy Day stickers. Little is American Crafts Be Kind stickers, and that came in the kit. And Picasso is American Crafts Indigo stickers, and that also came in this month's kit. So the gold and the blue are what came in the kit, and the black and white, those came in last month's kit or a month before, which I never really used them. So I pulled those out to use them this time around. And so when I'm done with my title, that's going to complete my layout. And when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.